Hello lovely people, hope you're doing good. So I'm back on my channel and today I'm going to show you how I'm going to alter this wonderful journal cover from Crafters Emporio. Yes, this was a Diwali gift to me from Crafters Emporio, Radhika. And today I'm here to just show you very simple and quick way to alter this cover. So I'm just using a white gesso. Since the cover of this notebook is itself a jute made, so I think I didn't need to add any more textures at the background. I just went ahead to apply some gesso to lighten up this brown color of the jute cover here. So as you can see, I'm not doing anything, just applying white gesso all over front and back, and it has already given me this beautiful texture of a jute. So I'm just quickly going and applying it at the back as well. I will definitely come up with some more journaling tutorials within this notebook itself, but today we are just going to do the cover. So this is done and you can see how it is looking. Now I'm going to use some leftover pattern papers from my Mintay paper harmony collection. So this is one of the strips that I'm using to add as a background over here, and I'm using my glue gun, hot glue gun here to glue it down. I'm using this lace die cut from Fantasy Dies here just to add a little bit more detailing to my cover. So I'm adding the second strip at the other side. So now I'm going to further make use of some elements from the paper collection itself, and these are all the fuzzy cuts that I'm going to use. I have taken few fuzzy cuts from the Flora book as well. So now let's go ahead and do the layering on top of this. So I really love these frames and I really love the blue door and everything that has come in this collection, and I'm going to make use of them into creating a layering over here onto my cover. But yes, I'm not going to make it too 3D because it is a cover and I'll be going to open it again and again for making some more art journal inside. So yeah, I'm going to keep it not very 3D, and still I'm trying to arrange the elements in a way that it looks nice and gives a lot of detailing to my cover. So I'm making use of this frame and this gorgeous blue door over here, which came in the collection, in the Harmony collection paper pack. And just to give it a little more 3D effect, I'm just adding these little pieces of chipboard here. And then finally adding this little window with the bird. And I really like this macrame hanging. All the elements in this collection are really amazing. I love them all. So you can watch me placing out everything with some 3D, giving it a height using this chipboard over here. So once all my windows and frames has been set, I'm going to use those little elements and the floral elements to finish my layout over here. It's very simple, very quick and easy. I have not used a lot of very detailed techniques over here. It's very simple process of layering flowers and everything over here, and I think the paper itself did the magic of giving it a beautiful look over here. I'm just trying to place some floral elements here and there to finish the look over here. So as you can see, and you can just take some tips on how you can create a lot of layers with elements itself, and you can definitely try going ahead and altering some notebook or your journal cover which you are going to use this year. This year has just started, so yeah, you can go ahead and begin with some new journaling notebooks and do the cover first and customize it as per your requirement. So I think this is it. I think this is looking very gorgeous. Now I will use this sentiment from the chipboard sheet of the same collection, and I really like this quote, live creatively, because This really goes well with my journaling notebook, because later when I'm going to do the journaling inside, it will all the creative stuff that I'm going to do in the later stages. So again, I'm adding a little piece of chipboard over here to give it a little height, and just finishing it with this little cutouts of the flowers from the same pack. And that's it. I like it this way. Now I'm going to add some balls to finish my layout, and I have not added too much of beads and pebbles over here, because I'm going to flip it over again and again for several times while using it. So yes, I have kept it very simple, and yet it looks very gorgeous to me. Let me know how you feel about it, and if you want to give it a try, just show me as well what you have made. I would love to see your creations. I am finally adding some glass beads over here, and this is done. Hope you enjoyed watching my tutorial. Please leave your comments below. Do subscribe to my channel if you want to watch some more tutorials and quick tips on some paper crafting, mixed media and scrapbooking. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Love you guys.